Facebook password can be changed easily by just going to some of the settings option and enabling it until you get an option of password. Want to learn how to do it? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So to change your Facebook password, first of all, go to Facebook and open up the app just like this. Get logged in, just like me. Tap on the three straight horizontal lines on the top right corner. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy below Help and Support. Tap on Settings. Scroll down, tap on Password and Security. Scroll down. Here you can see an option of Change Password. Tap on Change Password. First of all, you need to keep your current password connected to this account and then create a new password. Make sure to make it stronger and then retype new password once again. When you're done doing all, tap on Update Password below. So you can see that it's being loaded and you can see that on the above, password has been changed successfully. Now you can tap on the circle on the right corner next to review all the devices so that they can help us check where we are currently logged in, or tap on Stay Logged In on the right corner and then tap on Continue below. So this is it. This is how you change the password of your Facebook account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.